It rained a lot last night, very hard, lightning, thundering rain. And now the sun is out. I came out and this is my LSU purple. Ah, look at that. Yeah. And this is Miss Fiona. This is Miss Fiona. They're putting on their fruits all over. Yeah, Fiona. Fiona is putting on her fruits everywhere. And my peach tree, I never moved her from in the middle over here, so, but she's doing good. And the girl got the nerve to have peaches on her. Check it out. There's her peaches, but this is the LSU purple right next to her. Yeah, that's the purple. But the peach tree has peaches. She has peaches. So here they are, the peaches. Yeah. I thought I seen more somewhere. Let's see if we see more peaches. Oh, there it is down here. There's some more here. So she's doing really good. Oh, wait. There's another one up there. They're doing good. They're really doing good. Ah. So who's that in there making all that noise? Probably the bluebirds and his mates. Yeah. Go ahead, girl. Now, I haven't checked my LSU goal, but this is my goal. She just stretched out, baby. The girl is just stretched out. But I don't see any figs on her this morning. No. But Fiona in the purple have figs. So this is one of the bags of white potatoes, and this is the other one that I just flopped that soil on. Yeah, she's coming up. And this is the other one that's so cool. So the potatoes are doing good. Yeah. And these are the potatoes in a container. They good. They're really good. Awesome. My onions, they are really good. Real healthy. So this is the dent corn. So I have 3 seeds in here, and they all 3 coming up. Here's 1 coming up here. There is 2 or 3 coming up here. There is 2 coming up here, 2 there, and 2 there. Yeah, that's the dent corn. That's for the cornmeal. This is my Moringa Olifera tree on September of 2024. It's full of pods and flowers. Yeah, and the insects is loving all of the flowers. Butterflies, just so many butterflies in this tree. They love the flowers of the moringa. Yeah. And family, this is a day where Ben and I was harvesting some of the pods. Many of the seed pods was ready, but many of them was not. Yeah. So we was harvesting the ones that was nice and crusty brown. And here some of them are right here. And here is my seeds. So this is the day that Ben cuts the moringa tree down. This is January 30th, 5 days after the big snow we had in 2025. Many of the pods were not saved. They were not ready. They were not matured. So we took a loss, but I did harvest about maybe 100 pods, but there were so many left on the tree. But we cut them all down. And now I'm just wondering, is she alive? I don't know. So today is Tuesday morning. And yes, it's a very cloudy day, but let me share this. So this is the moringa tree. This is the moringa tree that I cut down every year. But this is what I see here this morning. Let me get close so you can really see. Let me take this off. Get off of there. Do you all see that? Yeah. That is from the moringa tree. Yeah. Let me get this. So this will grow really tall and big. So she is alive, y'all. She is alive. And she is growing back right now. Yeah, the Moringa Olifera, she is growing back. Yeah, there it is. The salvias, look at that. She's growing her flower right there. And of course, that's the Dollar Tree Iris. She's living a good life, I tell you. A good life. She's really tall. Yeah. Awesome, baby. So the soursop tree, I am going to put her in a microclimate environment here in my garden. I'm going to set her over by the soursop tree. I think in that area, she will get shade as well as sun. She will be fine over there. So that's where I'm gonna put her. But I'm going to transfer her into a 20 or even a 30-gallon container before I do that. Well, when I move her, I'm gonna move her when I transplant her into a bigger pot. But she's doing amazing, family. She's doing absolutely amazing. Yeah, I am super, super happy about her. Yeah. Yeah. In the calendulas, so many of them is coming on, right? I'm gonna get that one right there. I'm gonna get that one right there. But they all are doing well. Yeah. She could have opened up even more, but I'm gonna go ahead on and put her in the bag. Yeah. So I was cleaning bad leaves off of this Brussels sprout, and it is loving this area, so I let her stay. I let her stay, y'all. So I'm over here by my fence and I have one Katrina brick over here and I'm gonna drop some of my sunflower seeds in it. Now, I did drop some flower seeds and as you can see, they're growing. That's a Xena. I don't know what the other ones, oh, this looked like maybe a marigold, maybe. But I'm gonna drop a sunflower in there. Yeah, and I'm gonna drop two in here and see if we get a sunflower over here. Okay, they got a lot of seeds in here from last season that did not germinate. That's all right though, but I'm gonna drop those seeds in here. Yeah. And we're gonna cover this one up and let them do their thing. See how that goes. So I have my bag of sunflower seeds that I harvested last season. So this is one bag I have of sunflower seeds. Yeah, these are really I purchased these seeds from Baker Creek. I thought they were so unique because they were elongated, right? Let me show you. And the sunflowers was just so huge and beautiful, right? So I harvested a lot of them. I dried them out, and there they are. So I did send some of these out to you all, to many of you, but I'm gonna send some more to my niece over there at Morris Family Studio. Yeah, baby, I'm sending you some of those. Sunflower seeds, so you could drop some sunflower seeds. Yeah, y'all, I'm dropping leisures. Yeah, I'm just dropping them. So this is my pomegranate, and I didn't notice that she was putting on her flowers, y'all. Look at her. Yeah, come on through, baby. She's putting on her flowers, y'all. Beautiful, absolutely. The pomegranate. So this is my squash. This is that new squash that Yolanda Garrett sent to me. I'm going to put the name of it right here, right? But I have two plants of that beautiful squash. I'm gonna put it right there. Yeah. So this is my salvia. This is from a different point of view, right? They are very tall and they are very fragrant. I had a lizard in here. I was looking at him. As you can see, we have lots of bees. They are loving this. Lots of love bugs. But they are all out in groves enjoying the flowers, I tell you. Look at that. You see that? Yeah, they are loving it all, baby. They are getting it. There's more love bugs. And it doesn't matter what insect it is, right? They all will pollinate your plants. They all will. Yeah. So who is over here? Yeah, the elephant garlic. Yeah. They are beautiful. It smells really good over here too. I'm gonna move where I keep my super juice, right? Where I keep my super juice is at the front of the garden. So I'm gonna move it to the back of the garden, way over there. I'm gonna put it over there. Yeah, I'm gonna have some friends come over on Saturday and we're gonna spend some time out here in the garden. So yeah, I want it to be inviting. I'm not trying to run nobody from out the garden, right? Yeah, it's gonna be very nice. I'm gonna share it with you. Some parts of it, I will share it. Yeah. All right, family.